Hey Bitsami, you will be watching Working News Space and Astronomical Discoveries as humans are working hard every day in many fields. So let's get started. Newborn baby planet. Our solar system is older than 4 billion years, and when it was forming, there are many planets. I mean 100, not 8 or 9. But slowly many planets collided with each other, and some got attracted towards sun through its gravity and got eaten. Also, we never saw any planet being formed for the first time. Astronomers saw it through powerful telescope. It is 520 light years away from us. It is orbiting a star named AB Aurigae. Second topic is the strongest material in the universe. Wait, what? Yes, listen it right. There may be many strong material on Earth like graphene, which is 200 times more stronger than metal. The strongest material in the universe is nuclear pasta. What? Pasta? Oh, wait. It isn't eating pasta. Let's get in detail. The neutron pasta is found in the core of nuclear star when there is supernova blast. They form a neutron star where the strongest material is born. It is believed that this metal is 10 billion times stronger than metal. Our third topic is space junk. Don't misunderstand it. There is much junk of satellites and other things which keep revolving the earth, which creates a problem for astronomers. So they got a solution. They will be launching a remote satellite named Debris, which will throw a net in structure, and scientists believe that they will soon remove such places. Water on Mars. From many years, it has been a controversial talk that is there water on Mars or not. Also, scientists had already got to know about ice on polar poles of Mars, but in a study, it stated that there might be liquid water underground on Mars. Our fifth topic is planet with 3 stars. This planet is named as LTTT 1445 AB. It is 22.5 light years away from our planet Earth. This planet revolves around 3 stars, and this planet average temperature is 106 degrees Celsius, and mostly there is no possibility of life on it. Sixth, the Marsquake. You might have heard of earthquake. Many of you might have got the idea what is Marsquake. NASA's rover found tectonic plates shaking, and we got to know like Earth, Mars also experienced it. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe the channel and press that bell icon for notification of more amazing videos.